Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to install Eclipse for C developers. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to eclipse.org. The website's right up there, and they have a new one called Neon. One of the things that you will learn early on about Eclipse is they're frequently coming up with new versions. So what we're going to do first is come here, the website, click and download. Just going to click download. Now, as you see here, I'm using a Mac, so this will be the same thing as if you're using a PC, Linux, whatever operating system that you're utilizing. You'll go to the same website because they will have a version for either Apple, version for Windows, etc. So as you see, it's already downloaded, so I'm just going to double click on it. On a Mac, it's already there, so I'm just going to click install and open. Alright, so now we have all these different options, and this is where it gets really confusing when you're choosing what tool do I need. Well, since we're doing C programming, we're going to choose this one here, for C and C++. Next thing, it'll ask you where you want to install it at. Okay, I'll install it there, no big deal. Directory, hit install, set now. Currently installing the program. So it must be installing a lot of stuff. Alright, as you see here, not completely. And show me see here on my screen, over here. It did come up over here. You can't see the top, but they have a lot of different options, refactor, so forth. But we'll get into that in another video. But right now, that is how you install